Hi guys, welcome to day 5 for our sneak peek reveals for our box of the month for November. I'm so glad you're here. We're going to reveal the last product in the box, and you're going to get this calls for confetti mix. It's a custom mix that matches perfectly to our Christmas on the Farm paper pad. So you're going to have fun making some shaker cards with this. We are going to make a shaker card today, so stay tuned. Release date is on November 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. We're also doing a hop and giveaway, so come join us on the 1st at 9 a.m. on the YouTube channel. We will be hopping along. There'll be lots of more inspiration for using the box and our stamp and die of the month. So we're combining the two again this month. Okay, look how pretty that mix is. Oh, that's going to be so much fun. So tomorrow for the hop, you're going to see projects for the stamp and die and the box. So we're just combining it again this month, and then next month we'll go back to our normal hops, which is the box of the month on the 1st and then the stamp and die of the month on the 7th. And we are still doing a hop on the 7th, but we're going to combine the two again. And some of you may noticed that Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, has been away from YouTube. She has put up a life update on her blog if you want to head on over and read that. She's got part 1 up there, and now part 2 explains where she's been. We miss her so much, and we can't wait for her to get back on YouTube. But right now she is recovering from some health issues, and you can read all about that on her blog. So we can't wait for Teresa to come back. So for our shaker card, we are going to do an A2 size card. Okay, let's see if this little trick is going to work. I want the circle down as my background. So I'm going to line this up. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I should have done this before I put the acetate on. It's probably not going to work. So I'm going to put some glue on here. We're going to flip it over and see if it lands where it's supposed to land. Okay, so well, it's in the area that I want it to be. So that's good. I just want to tilt it a little bit like that, so the truck is straight. It's not bad, not bad. I think this needs to go up just a little bit. Okay. I think it's gonna work. Okay, so there's my base. Now I want to fill it up with my shaker bits. And now we're gonna fill this up with some shaker bits and then put our panel right over the top. So I'm just gonna grab some. Okay, I think that'll be good. So I'm going to take all the papers off, And then I'm gonna line this up and hopefully we get this straight. So I'm gonna remove the backing here. This is going to take a while. I always have a hard time removing the red strips from these, from the sticky tape. Okay, I remember to use my anti-static powder to remove all the sticky from the sides. That way my sequence mix doesn't stick to the sides here. So I'm gonna line this up the best that I can. Press that down. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so now we can go ahead and decorate. So we got our shaker mix in there. Looks like I could have filled it up a little bit more, but that's okay. I wanted to put these strips on the top and on the bottom. So this is from the paper pad as well. So I love that print. And then across the top, I want to use the sentiment that I did earlier. This one is so cute. Life is better on the farm. And I'm going to add some foam tape to the back just to lift it off the page a little bit. So I'm just going to center this more towards the bottom. So this is also from the stamp set, the large 6x8 stamp set that you're going to receive. If you missed the videos of the sneak peeks, go back. We have 5 days of sneak peeks if you want to see all the products that are going to be in the November box. If you want to join the box of the month, don't forget to choose monthly for your frequency. You're going to see a drop-down menu, and that's before you get to checkout. Select monthly, and then that will get you the recurring orders. You'll get a new box every 30 days. You'll also save 5% at checkout. So there we go. So I'm going to use the red little sequins in here and glue some on. Make it more festive. Okay, so there is our shaker card. So fun. These little trees in there look really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this shaker card, and I hope you guys will come back tomorrow for the release day on the 1st, 9 a.m. Central. Shop early. For the best selection, sometimes these boxes do sell out really quickly. So on the 1st is the best time to shop, 9 a.m. And I will see you tomorrow for the hop. Thanks, guys.